Turquoise waters, white sand beaches, the rhythmic sway of palm trees. Jamaica, the land of reggae, jerk chicken, and smiles that could light up a room. We know what you're thinking. Pure paradise, right? And you wouldn't be wrong. Jamaica's beauty is undeniable, but like any good story, there's more to it than meets the eye. Behind the postcard-perfect scenery lies a heart and soul, a resilience that runs deeper than the Caribbean Sea. It's the spirit of the Jamaican people, a spirit that thrives on community, laughter, and an unshakable belief in each other. But even paradise has its challenges. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey beyond the tourist traps, beyond the resorts, and into the heart of what makes Jamaica truly special. Get ready to witness the heartwarming reality of community spirit Jamaican style. It's a story of struggle, sure, but more importantly, it's a story of triumph, resilience, and the unwavering belief in the power of unity. Now let's get real for a minute. Life in Jamaica isn't always sunshine and reggae beats. Behind the vibrant culture and infectious energy, many communities face real challenges. Think limited resources, economic hardship, and the ever-present threat of natural disasters. It's enough to make anyone feel the pressure. But here's the thing about Jamaicans, they don't back down from a challenge. They face adversity head-on, with a smile and a spirit of determination that's nothing short of inspiring. They understand that life's a team sport, and in Jamaica, the team is everything. It's about neighbors helping neighbors, sharing what they have, and lifting each other up when times get tough. It's this unwavering sense of community that forms the bedrock of Jamaican society. So, how do they do it? How do these communities overcome adversity and emerge stronger than ever? That's the story we're here to tell. Get ready to be inspired, because Jamaica's story is a testament to the power of unity. From the bustling streets of Kingston to the rural villages nestled in the mountains, a spirit of collective action thrives. We're talking about community gardens, transforming vacant lots into oases of fresh food, youth empowerment programs giving young people the tools to succeed, and neighbors coming together to rebuild after natural disasters. It's a beautiful thing to witness. This spirit of unity is more than just a feel-good story. It's a lifeline. It's what allows communities to not only survive but thrive, even in the face of overwhelming odds. In the next part of our journey, we'll dive deeper into this remarkable spirit, showcasing the incredible initiatives and heartwarming stories that make Jamaica a beacon of hope and resilience. Get ready to be moved, inspired, and maybe even a little bit jealous of the incredible sense of community that defines this island nation. Trust us, Jamaica's story is one you won't want to miss. You see, in Jamaica, community isn't just a word, it's a way of life. It's about knowing your neighbors, looking out for one another, and sharing a laugh whenever you can. It's woven into the very fabric of society. From the moment you arrive, you're welcomed with open arms, a warm smile, and a friendly wagwan. It's like instantly becoming part of an extended family, one that extends far beyond bloodlines. Now picture this, you're strolling through a Jamaican village, sun warm on your skin, reggae music drifting through the air. Life moves at a different pace here. It's relaxed, it's friendly, it's all about connection. This deep sense of community isn't just about good vibes, though it definitely helps. It's about resilience, about facing challenges head-on, knowing that you don't have to go it alone. And trust us, there are challenges. But with a strong community spirit backing you up, even the toughest obstacles seem a little less daunting. Smiles and stories. The warmth of Jamaican soul. What makes this Jamaican spirit so infectious? Well, it's the people, of course. Jamaicans have a way of making you feel like the most important person in the room, even if you've just met. They're natural storytellers, spinning tales that will make you laugh, cry, and everything in between. And those smiles? Forget about it. They're contagious, pure sunshine radiating from the heart. But don't be fooled by the laid-back exterior. Beneath the surface lies a strength, a determination forged through generations of overcoming adversity. They've learned that life's a journey best traveled together, and this togetherness isn't limited to times of need. It's the everyday moments that truly capture the essence of Jamaican community spirit. United we stand, from Dominoes to disaster relief. Whether it's gathering for a game of Dominoes, sharing a pot of jerk chicken with neighbors, or lending a helping hand when someone's down on their luck, community is the constant rhythm of life in Jamaica. But this spirit truly shines brightest when faced with adversity. Remember those challenges we mentioned? Natural disasters, economic hardship, they're unfortunate realities for many Jamaicans. But instead of crumbling, they come together stronger than ever. When a hurricane hits, neighbors help neighbors rebuild. When times are tough, they share what little they have, knowing that a little generosity goes a long way. It's a testament to the power of unity, the belief that together they can weather any storm. And they're not just weathering the storm, they're dancing through it, with that infectious Jamaican spirit lighting the way. The struggle is real, facing life's hurdles with a smile. Now let's be real, mon. Life in Jamaica ain't always sunshine and reggae festivals. It's a beautiful country, no doubt, but even paradise has its share of problems. We're talking about the kind of challenges that would make even the toughest among us buckle. Think limited job opportunities, struggling schools, and infrastructure that could use a little TLC. And then there are the natural disasters. Hurricanes, earthquakes, you name it, Jamaica's seen it all. It's enough to make you wonder how anyone keeps a smile on their face. But here's the thing about Jamaicans. They're masters of resilience. They've learned to take life's punches with a grin and a shrug, always finding a reason to keep moving forward. When resources run dry, the strength of sharing shines through. You see, in Jamaica, there's a deep understanding that life is a team sport. They know that when one person struggles, the whole community feels it. So what do? They share. They share what little they have, whether it's food, shelter, or just a listening ear. Because in a community, no one should ever have to face hardship alone. It's this spirit of sharing that truly sets Jamaica apart. It's a reminder that even when times are tough, there's always enough love to go around. And that love, it's a powerful force. It's the glue that holds communities together, the fuel that keeps them going when everything else seems lost. Now, if you're just visiting Jamaica, you might not see this side of things. You'll probably be too busy sipping cocktails on the beach, soaking up the sun, and enjoying the island vibes. And hey, there's nothing wrong with that. But it's important to remember that there's another Jamaica beyond the resorts and tourist attractions. It's a Jamaica where people work hard, hustle harder, and still find time to laugh and dance with their neighbors. It's a Jamaica where community is everything, and where the spirit of resilience runs deep. So, the next time you're planning a trip to Jamaica, why not take a step off the beaten path? Go meet the locals, hear their stories, and experience the true heart of this remarkable island nation. Trust us, it'll be an adventure you won't soon forget. But hold on, we're not done yet. Remember those challenges we talked about? Well, Jamaicans are experts at turning setbacks into opportunities. Take those limited resources, for example. Instead of complaining, they get creative. They've mastered the art of making do with what they have, turning scraps into treasures and finding innovative solutions to everyday problems. And those tough times, they've only served to strengthen their resolve. They've learned that the only way through a challenge is to face it head-on, with a smile and a song in their hearts. It's this spirit of resilience, this ability to find hope and opportunity in the face of adversity, that makes Jamaica so truly special. From concrete jungle to urban oasis, the rise of community gardens. All right, folks, get ready to witness the magic of community in action. Let's talk about those urban gardens popping up all over Jamaica, transforming neglected spaces into vibrant hubs of life. Imagine this, concrete jungles replaced with rows of callaloo, tomatoes ripening under the Caribbean sun, and neighbors sharing not just fresh produce, but laughter, stories, and a sense of purpose. Remember those limited resources we talked about? Well, Jamaicans don't let a little thing like that stop them. They're turning vacant lots, abandoned buildings, even rooftops into thriving gardens. Talk about making the most of what you've got. It's not just about the food, though. These gardens are like green oases in the heart of bustling cities, offering a space for connection, relaxation, and a healthy dose of community spirit. planting seeds of hope, nourishing bodies and souls. Now let's be real, access to fresh, healthy food can be a challenge, especially in underserved communities. But these urban gardens, they're changing the game. They're providing families with nutritious options, teaching valuable gardening skills, and promoting a sense of ownership and pride. Because when you grow your own food, you're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your soul. And the impact goes far beyond the dinner table. These gardens are building stronger communities, one seed at a time. They're bringing people together, fostering a sense of shared responsibility, and proving that even in the toughest of times, hope can blossom. It's more than just growing food, it's about growing community. And that's something worth celebrating, wouldn't you say? Empowering the youth, unleashing the potential of a generation. Now let's talk about the future of Jamaica, because it's looking bright. All across the island, incredible youth empowerment programs are giving young people the tools and opportunities they need to thrive. We're talking about educational initiatives, mentorship programs, sports clubs, and artistic workshops. These programs are all about nurturing talent, igniting passions, and empowering the next generation to reach their full potential. Remember those challenges we talked about? Well, these young people are being equipped with the skills and confidence to overcome them, to become leaders, innovators, and agents of positive change. They're learning that they have a voice, that their dreams matter, and that together they can shape the future of their communities and their country. Building a brighter future takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. But that's something Jamaicans have in abundance. It's inspiring to witness the passion, the drive, the unwavering belief in a better tomorrow. From community leaders to teachers, from parents to young people themselves, everyone's chipping in, doing their part to create a brighter future for generations to come. They're building schools, creating job opportunities, advocating for social justice, and protecting their environment. It's a collective effort, fueled by that unshakable Jamaican spirit, a spirit that knows no bounds. So get ready to be inspired, because Jamaica's story is far from over. It's a story that's still being written brick by brick, dream by dream. Remember those natural disasters we talked about? The ones that test even the strongest of spirits? Well, this is where the real power of community shines through. Well, let's look at a hurricane roaring like a monster, tears through the island, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Homes reduced to rubble, livelihoods shattered, fear etched on every face. This is the harsh reality for many Jamaican communities. Natural disasters can strike, leaving chaos and despair in their wake. It's a moment that could break even the strongest of spirits, but not in Jamaica.
Rising from the rubble, the unbreakable spirit of unity. You see, in the face of tragedy, something remarkable happens. The Jamaican spirit, that unwavering belief in the power of community, kicks into overdrive. It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes, stronger and more determined than ever.
Neighbors helping neighbors, sharing what little food and shelter they have left, comforting each other through the trauma. It's a sight that'll bring tears to your eyes, folks. But trust us, they're tears of hope. In Jamaica, they say one love, one heart. And in these moments of crisis, those words become more than just a song lyric. They become a way of life. There's no time for despair, no room for self-pity. There's only the urgent need to come together, to rebuild, to support, to heal. And that's exactly what they do. One love, one heart, rebuilding lives, brick by brick, beat by beat. The road to recovery is never easy. It takes sweat, determination, and an unwavering belief in each other. But in Jamaica, they know something we often forget. Rebuilding isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about rebuilding lives, rekindling hope, and rediscovering the rhythm of community. So they clear the debris together, brick by brick. They share stories, laughter, and tears, stitch by stitch, mending the fabric of their lives. And they dance, of course, because in Jamaica, even amidst hardship, the music never stops. It's a testament to the human spirit, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, love, unity, and a good reggae beat can light the way. This, my friends, is the true essence of Jamaican community spirit. more than just an island. The global impact of Jamaican spirit. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the heart and soul of Jamaica. A place where community isn't just a word, it's a way of life. We've journeyed from the idyllic beaches to the bustling streets, witnessed the struggles and celebrated the triumphs. But this story, my friends, isn't confined to the shores of this beautiful island. The spirit of Jamaica, that unwavering belief in the power of unity, generosity and resilience, it's a beacon of hope for the entire world. In a world often driven by division and self-interest, Jamaica reminds us of the simple but profound truth. We're all in this together. It's a message that resonates far beyond the Caribbean Sea, a message that speaks to the very core of what it means to be human. Because no matter where we come from, what language we speak or what challenges we face, the human experience is ultimately about connection, about supporting each other, about finding strength in unity. Carry the rhythm. Let Jamaica inspire your own community beat. So, the next time you're feeling down, remember the resilience of the Jamaican people. Remember the community gardens blooming in urban landscapes, the youth programs nurturing future leaders, the unwavering spirit that rises above any disaster. Let Jamaica be your inspiration, your reminder that even small acts of kindness can make a world of difference. Check in on your neighbors, lend a helping hand, share a smile, or maybe even a plate of jerk chicken. Because community, my friends, is a verb. It's not a place, it's an action. It's about showing up for each other, day in and day out, through thick and thin, with a song in our hearts and a shared belief in a brighter future. So go on, carry the rhythm of Jamaica with you. Let it inspire you to build bridges, to spread love, and to create a world where everyone feels the warmth of belonging. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all right. Peace out. Please share your own stories of community spirit in the comments below and subscribe for more uplifting content.